Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Have your marigold also started blooming like ours? Even though winter is still 1 month after, our marigolds have already started blooming. I will tell you all about marigold another day, but today we will be talking about Madhumalati. Madhumalati, also known as Madhulata in Hindi, is famous for its fragrant red, pink and white flowers. The flower's name derives from the perception that its aroma is sweet like honey. This plant has been in our garden for the past 5 years. But we are not having enough flowers in this plant. But this year there is a lot of flowers in our plant. So keep on watching to find out how my mom took care of this plant to get so many flowers after 5 years. After repotting, my mom put the mulch on this plant for the full summer. A layer of organic mulch such as leaves, straw or wood chips should be applied around the base of the plant to a depth of 2 to 3 inches to conserve soil moisture, regulate soil temperature and suppress weeds. Madhumalati plant benefit from regular fertilizer applications, particularly during the growing season. A balanced, slow-releasing fertilizer should be applied every month. My mom gives kitchen waste compost as the fertilizer and then just keeps this plant like this. Between all this, my mom also once gave citrus peel fertilizer because this plant loves its soil acidic. Now I will tell you about the soil and the sunlight requirements for this plant. The Madhumalati plant prefers well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. If the soil in your area is heavy clay, it may be necessary to amend it with compost or peat moss to improve drainage. Madhumalati plants thrive in full sun or partial shade. Ensure 6 hours of direct sunlight daily with some afternoon shade if your area receives scorching sunlight. The plant's growth was going well, but there were no flowers in this plant. At last, my mom finally used a mixed fertilizer. It is kitchen waste compost with banana peel. Mix it and give it to your plant in this way. The main thing needed for your plant to bloom is potassium, so the banana peel fertilizer would fulfill this need. And about the water, make sure that the soil must be wet always. But don't overwater. Just check if the topsoil is dry, then give the water to your plant. Now, the main reason for your Madhumalati plant not blooming is because of the sunlight. Make sure there is 6 hours of sunlight. Then the water. Make sure that the soil is moist and the fertilizer. Your plant needs potassium-rich fertilizer. I hope if you also take care of your plants like this, you will also get so many flowers like I have now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.